This is the moment. Una don see am?
I have crashed so many planes.
I'm speechless.
So wonderful, so wonderful.
Bro, this thing is high. This thing is high. Now, this guy is claiming to be the first Eastern non-certified engineer to build a plane prototype. And he built this thing with the lowest kind of material that you can think about. And he claimed that this thing can fly and land like your conventional plane does. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the first young Eastern engineer. Bro, what's your name again?
My name is Ibelo Chinemerem.
People are saying that this thing is a drone. People are saying that you just unpacked a drone and you just put this case in. You understand? Send a drone be this. Please come and defend yourself.
This is not, it's not a drone.
So what is it?
This is an airplane, aircraft. So I built this airplane the way airplane functions. This is ESC. This is ESC. Yeah, this is the power component that can spin the engine. I'm using brushless motor. The RPM is 1050 kV. So I'm using 10 inches propeller. This is the difference between drone and airplane. Drone take off with 4 propellers. 4 propellers. It take off vertical, one place. Understand?
Like more like a helicopter.
Like helicopter. Helicopter take off vertical with a propeller. But this is airplane. It take off with wing. Wing. So why the airplane take off with wing? The engine, this propeller will spin and suck air from the front to the back. Then it pushes the airplane. The airplane will run way and get the momentum, the force of gravity.
The momentum. That's what he said. The momentum. Yeah.
And once it's getting that momentum, the wing will not get strength to attack to the wind. Understand? Once the thrust continue, the engine didn't spinning, then the wing will go attack to the wind. So the plane will not take off. So not only take off, what can make this plane stabilize in the air? I will show you. These 2 men here is aileron.
You said it's what?
Aileron.
Hey, wahala dey. Aileron, okay.
Aileron.
Okay, this one now where they come out like this.
Yes.
Okay, this is the move.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. The function of these 2 men here, ailerons, is divert aircraft left and right, unlike car.
Okay.
The steering.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the function of these ailerons. Then, come, let me show you. This is elevator.
This one now.
Elevator. This is
Okay, the same thing.
it's
like
moving less. Yes, function like this. Those 2 men.
Wow.
This is elevator. The function of elevator is to raise the nose plane up.
Okay,
while
but
clamping.
hold on. Please come, man. This thing I'm seeing now, is this this thing that is here now?
This is here.
Okay, that's the gear.
Here. So to get power to rotate, to turn the
Up.
to bring the elevator up.
And this particular thing where they here now, you still put them under this
Under
place.
these things.
Can you raise this thing up so that we can see
You can
it?
see it. You can see it.
Guys, are you seeing it? Everything this guy is saying, he's defending everything to the last T. He's saying that all these components here now, and if you look at these components, you see that these things are small things that he got from so many places.
So many places.
And he brought them all together with the little knowledge he has. This guy has no university. He did not read aeronautic engineering, nothing whatsoever.
Yes. Due to I have the idea, the experience, how airplane function. Then what I need is that to provide the materials to build that aircraft, to make my dream come true. This is the rod. I cut this rod, measured it from here to here is about 7 to 8 millimeter. So everything here is calculations. You have a calculation. From here to here is about 71 inches. From here to here is about 18 inches. From here to here is about 12 inches. So the first ledge here is 90 millimeter. Before airplane fly, if you don't get the COG, what I mean the COG is a center of gravity. Once you don't get it right, the plane won't fly.
But bro, how you take? This is now for book. You they read book, learn all these things.
It's true practical.
Some people are saying that you just buy drone. Say you buy drone, use come out everything. How are you feel at that moment? Just tell me what was going through your mind.
I feel so worried, but later I say, okay, well, I can't blame because that's some people are saying their mind because they are surprised seeing their fellow Igbo man build aircraft that can fly. So my problem is that I don't have financial support. If I had have financial support, I will build a big one instead of this. I'll build a big one, enter inside and fly the aircraft.
So one of the things that amazes me most about this technology is the small stuff that this guy used in making this thing come through.
This is a rubber leather.
Okay, this one is a rubber leather.
Yes, I use a knife, sharp knife, put inside the fire. The knife will just hot. I will use it and cut it out. The leather. Why I use this leather rubber is that if the plane land, so that it won't affect the fuselage, the body.
Okay,
so it will spring like rubber. It will spring. The plane will get.
You are seeing the way he's even doing it. The spring something they
can see it.
show.
Yes. Why I use the big tire is use this one. This one is big than the back one because this is the rear engine is. So that once this back land, while the front land, it won't affect the engine. So this is a TX transmitter. It has a receiver. So once I'll come here and program, you can see the stick. This is the CRN ailerons. I use my hand and program it, how it will work, how plane function. If I build a big plane, all this thing will be inside the plane.
So any move you make here now,
yes,
the receiver here now
we'll
convert it into movements. Okay.
Then it will work how I program it.
Okay, you have a waterproof in your hand. Please, what is this thing? Because as you hold the waterproof, this is going to shock me. So what do you use this thing for?
This waterproof. If you come inside the aircraft, in an airplane, there's a sign of a computer signature, sign of if any bad weather, it will alarm.
Signals.
Yeah, technical signals. Alarm inside the aircraft. Pilot will know what wings.
Direction of the wing.
Direction of wing. But if you want to take off, this wing is coming like this. You go attack to the wings.
This guy wants to land this thing on the runway. Who be this guy? Move your car. Relax.
I actually followed how he flew the plane and it went round. And the landing is awesome. Very smooth landing.